took apart my laptop and now the keyboard isn't working. Okay. Yeah, so we didn't know why he took apart his laptop, and so we kind of asked. Well, I pressed a key, it turns up the volume, opens Armory Crate, changes games mode, etc. Did I do something wrong? So all we said was why. Why did you open it up and go to the laptop? Like, it's very rare that people open up a laptop just to get to the keyboard. Now, if you open up a laptop to get to the memory or the SSD or the NVMe or to change out the Wi-Fi card, something like that, we got you. But to get to the keyboard, bro, you have to remove that off the back of the motherboard. Like, you got to do a lot of stuff to get to the keyboard. Sorry, I opened it to clean it and replace the thermal paste. Oh dear God. What? He opened up his laptop to replace the thermal paste? Jesus Christ. He did say laptop, right? Yeah, he did say laptop. Oh my God. I just now opened it and redid all the cables, including the keyboard ribbon. I think it still didn't fix it. It's weird because when I first opened it, I didn't even touch the keyboard ribbon. Yes, it worked fine before opening it. Also, my USB keyboard works fine with it. What do you want us to say, bro? You told us, you basically answered your own question. I don't know what to say. What am I supposed to say? Unfortunately, you answered your own question. I can't say that. Well, since this was fine prior to you opening it, there isn't a whole lot anyone can recommend that isn't physical layer related. i.e., try again, make sure the ribbon is pushed all the way in, replace the keyboard ribbon, etc., etc. However, if it's still under warranty, may want to try for a RMA. Yeah, I would just say with this one here, at that point, it's RMA, bro. Like, you answered your own question. You said you didn't have the problem before. You started messing with the inside and you cleaned out the thermal paste on the CPU. Like, who does that? Like, that's, wow, that's impressive. I'll give you that. I mean, you must be working for like cell phone companies, because I rarely ever see somebody taking apart an entire laptop just to take off the thermal paste on the CPU. Like that's like some fix it type stuff. So congrats to you. I don't, but at the same time, I don't run laptops, I run desktops. So yeah, that's cray, bro. But yeah, I mean, if you do that and your keyboard doesn't work because of it, then you go back in and try to fix it and your keyboard still doesn't work, you know, I mean, we're not going to tell you to upgrade the BIOS. Like, at that point, it's just a hardware issue, bro. You're essentially just fighting yourself at that point.